So good morning, live from my bedroom. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my baby hair. Now this is gonna be super quick. I literally have been getting this question so much. My baby hair lasts me all day. I do not sweat it out. I have to be doing like actual exercise in order to sweat my hair out. This is for all my type 4 girls. Obviously this could apply for everybody else as well. The only things that you're gonna need is some Gorilla Snot gel right here. I like the Punk formula. This is like literally $2 and some change. Then you're going to need a toothbrush. I like mine firm, so as you can see, there's not much give. Obviously it has a little bit of gel in it, but harder toothbrush work better than soft ones. So I think that's probably the #1 tip that I need to give. You don't want them too hard because you don't want to start pulling out your edges. You just want something right in the middle, okay? Then you're just gonna need a scarf. I have these ones that are like not as big as regular nighttime scarves, but you could tie any scarf to this size. I just take about this much gel and I just apply that around my hairline in no neat way. Just laying it down first. Then I take my toothbrush and I go in steps. So basically you're using your hand as pretty much a stencil. So after I swoop down, I use my finger as a stencil to go to the next one, because you're basically just creating steps, okay? So comb the hair down, and then as you can see, swoop it, okay? So I just do that all the way down. Obviously you'll get faster with more practice. And then I go to the other side and do the same exact motion. So I'll go again really slow. You're gonna comb the hair down. Use your finger to smooth the hair down, and then just go horizontal, see? And it creates a little step. So boom, boom. Obviously you could play with it and get it to where you want it to be. So I'll correct my steps as I go until I get it the way that I want it. Then for my sideburns, I take a little bit less glue, pebble size. I do the same. I just apply it on my sideburns, and then I use my finger. You're using your finger to smooth your hair down. So I think that's another trick. You're smoothing your hair down. And then I do the same thing. I use my finger as a free edge for a stencil. If there's something you want to correct, just do it while it's still wet. You don't want to get crazy with the gel because that's how you guys get flaking and whiteness. I don't get any of that. So then I take a scarf, I tie it around my head, bring it to the front, making sure I tie it over the baby hair so it could soak up any excess gel, because we don't want excess gel, because excess gel will turn white, it'll start flaking. We don't need all that. We just need the bare minimum to keep our little edges, you know, right and tight. And don't judge me for my broken nail, I gotta fix it. So the trick is not to leave the scarf on too long. If you leave the scarf on too long, your hair will stick to the scarf and it'll create white flakiness. If you leave the scarf on for too little bit of time, if you leave the scarf on for not enough time, then you'll notice that your baby hair does not last throughout the day. So the happy medium is keeping your scarf on between like 30 and 45 seconds, no mas. So now I'm gonna take my scarf off, and you're gonna bring it down because you don't want anything to lift. So you're gonna pull your scarf down, and then boom, voila. Baby hair that's gonna last you all day. And this is for all my type 4 girls who say that you can't get your hair to lay down. Your girl got type 4 hair, okay? And it stays down. So you could do this too. Definitely keep watching the video. Hopefully you get the technique. Leave a comment below. Let me know if this was easy for you guys to follow. Also let me know if it worked for you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with all your friends, your amigas, your mama, your sister, your cousin, anybody who said they need help with their edges. And I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is. And if you want to keep up with me, don't forget to follow me at iamLindaElaine, either right here or right here. I don't really know. If you're still on Snapchat, because I love Snapchat and I love the filters, definitely follow me on Jamexican Beauty. And yeah, I think I'm done. Booses. Bye.